these two concerns, Government of India should give the captive mines to Vizag plant and also convert the equity debt into equity. Therefore, the loss-making unit will be converted into profit-making unit and privatization can be avoided. Sir, coming to the revised cost of Polavaram project, Central Water Commission has recommended 55,656 crores as revised cost estimate of Polavaram project. However, the central government for the past 1 year is yet to act on that, and then it has not cleared. So I request the Honorable Minister, Anurag ji is here present, and I expect Anurag ji to respond to this. I remind him that AP Reorganization Act has been passed 7 years back, and still the railway zone with Vizag as headquarters is yet to be constituted. So the BJP government has taken almost 7 years and no action has been initiated. I request the Honorable Railway Minister to immediately act on that. While retaining the Voltaire division, the Visakhapatnam railway zone may be created instantaneously so that what has been stipulated in the act can be fulfilled. This is the reason why we have been asking for the special category status and as enshrined in the AP Reorganization Act. Sir, therefore, I request the Government of India to consider granting special category status for the state of Andhra Pradesh so that the justice can be done. Justice is done to this people of Andhra Pradesh.